channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam, and I would love to have you guys subscribe today and join the family. So today I thought I would just share with you guys a little back to school try on haul, just because it's back to school season, and even though we're not really technically all gonna be going to real school, we'll probably have online school, I thought it would still be fun to do a little haul for you guys, because I always love going back to school shopping. That's like my favorite part of going back to school, is like wearing my new clothes. But I mean, we can still dress cute and be on Zoom, you know, so it's all good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this, and let's just get started with the haul. So the first place I shopped at was Forever 21, of course. Like, are we even surprised? Yeah. The first thing I got is just this really cute little basic gray tank top, and this is perfect. It's a little bit cropped, but if you wear high-waisted jeans, you'll be perfectly fine for the dress code. It's like the straps are 2 inches, and it just has 3 little buttons. I think this is just like a really cute, simple top. I feel like for back to school, I always love to stock up on my basics, just because you can pair them with so many different things and dress them up and dress them down. So that is the first thing, and this is in a medium. And then the next thing I got is just another plain, like, basic top, and this is just a little crop top. It's like a white cropped top, and again, if you just wear this like high-waisted skirt or high-waisted like leggings that you have, it'll be perfectly fine. Plus, like, we aren't really going back to school, so you can always wear these at home. I just think like basics are like my favorite things to get at Forever 21. I just think they last a really long time and they're really affordable. So yeah. And then the next thing I have is just a little cute ruched long sleeve. I think this is like perfect for fall time. I know it's still summer, but I mean, I love shopping for fall. So this is kind of what it looks like. You can kind of adjust the string in the middle to make it tighter or looser. So if you don't like things cropped, you don't have to. And it's a very thin material, so it's perfect for like transitioning into fall. And I just love, love, love the color. And then I got this top, which this one probably isn't like school appropriate or like dress coded, but I think it's just so cute. And I love Forever 21's little like, they're like seamless lines, so that's what it looks like. It's like a little bandagey crop top. I think it would be cute if like you're in college and you're going on a night out, whenever that's even possible. So yeah, it's just this black ribbed one. And then I got another like little basic crop top kind of thing, and this is just a little crop top with an angel on it. I think it looks so cute. It's super wrinkly, but I think it's so cute, and this definitely reminds me of like Brandy Melville, like just like the style they would have there. The material is so soft too. Like, I love, love, love this material. And then the next few things are, well, I first got this little muscle tank from there as well, and I loved it so much that I bought it in the same exact color, or the same exact style, but just a different color. It's just a black one. I think these are super cute. They're super appropriate for school as well, because like it's just like a nice thicker strap, so it's like a tank top, but it's like thicker, and I think it's so cute and flowy. I love these for going to school because they're appropriate. And then I also got some accessories, which I'm really excited about. So the first one that I got is this like layered necklace. You guys have probably seen me wear this in a few other videos, but this is what it looks like. It's just like layered. I think it's so cute, and I loved it so much that I got it in the silver one. But with the silver one, I did take off a layer. You just need to like use some pliers to take it off. So this is what this one looks like. I think it's so adorable. And then I got one last necklace, and it's just like a little thin chain. I think it looks so dainty if like you're wearing a low cut top. So that's what it looks like, and those are all really inexpensive. I'm gonna like put these down somewhere so I don't lose them. And then the next thing I got is just a pair of denim. I love getting a new pair of jeans for the school time. So these are from Hollister, and these are just the ultra high-rise mom jeans. So they're just like a blue color, and yeah, they have little fraying at the end, if you can see. They're super cute. I love these, and honestly I've been seeing so many ads for Hollister, and I just love them so much. Like, they're really inexpensive. Like, they're $25 to $30 for a pair of jeans, which is really good. And then another pair of jeans that I got are from Topshop. They're just a pair of white jeans. I know, who am I? Who would have ever thought I would buy white jeans? I'm still not sure if I love these, just because I feel like the white is just, it's a lot, and I'm really scared to sit in like ketchup or like sit in food and it looks like I have a big old stain on my butt. So yeah. And then the next few things, I did make an order off of Gymshark. I know this is just like not really like schoolwear, but I still feel like since we're going to be taking classes online, it would be really fun to just buy some new cute activewear I could just lounge around in. So I got this bra, and it's so cute. The material is so soft, and the back is super cute and like strappy, which I love. It's adjustable. I got this in a size medium, and it says Gymshark really like lightly on the back. You can't really even see it that much, which I like. I don't like when like Gymshark clothes have like a huge like logo on it. I don't know, it's not my favorite, but I love this pink color. Just like a nice dusty rose, and it looks like crisscrossy. I think it's so cute. And I also got some leggings. They didn't have like, I couldn't find the matching leggings in my size, so I just got these ones. I think these are the ultra light breezy leggings in the style Pebble, I believe, or in the color Pebble Pink, and it just says Gymshark right here. I still, again, don't know how I feel about these. They're very thin, which I'm not used to, and I got these in a size medium, but honestly I feel like I should have gotten a size small, just because the medium is a teeny bit loose on me, and I don't love that feeling. It's like looser in my crotch area, which is weird, but yeah. So these are the leggings. I think they're really cute, and I'm really excited to wear them. Yeah. And then the last thing I forgot to show you guys, I just had to go grab this out of my laundry. I got this pair of black denim shorts from Forever 21. Sorry, they're a little wrinkly. It's because I wore them, but yeah, they just basically have a little button like going all the way down, so there's no zipper. And yeah, they're really comfy. I know they're a little short for like back to school, but you gotta have stuff you can wear on the weekends, you know, so it's all good. These are in a size 28, and they fit really nicely. They're a little bit shorter than I would like, but they fit okay, and I'm not mad at it at all. So yeah. Alrighty everyone, so that is the end of today's haul. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It would mean so much to me, and subscribe down below. I just want to say, if you guys like hauls, I'm going to have a bunch of more hauls coming up soon, so please don't forget to subscribe. But yeah, that was the end of today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!